Basta't lagi mong tatandaan na kaluguran na ang kaluguran. Proud na proud ko kaya ka, anak. Tsaka masaya yan pa magsawa mo kasi balo kong magana kay Carmen. Nung makananon may liguran ninyang, di kayo nga gong mitaw, mas luguran may pangyanin. Asawa mo na yan. Yeah.
Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know just how I feel. I wish I was holding you by my side. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause finally it's real. I'm trying to hold back, you ought to know that you're the one.
Pangako ko, saan man tayo dalhin, sa Canada man o sa Pilipinas, umasenso man buhay natin o hindi, mag-away man tayo o hindi, hindi kita iiwan.
The right time, at the right moment, you're the sunlight, keeps my heart going.
Thank you sa pagsakip sa akin nung mga panahon na nasa madilim ko. Thank you kasi hindi lang ako yung minahal mo, kundi pati yung buong pamilya ko.
Taos puso akong nagpapasalamat, syempre sa Diyos, sapagkat pinili ka niya bilang mga awit at umawit para sa kanyang kalwalatian. Boses mo'y handog, puso mo'y saksi ng iyong pananampalataya.
Deeper in love, everything that you are is all I'm dreaming of. Yeah. And if I can't break enough to show you that I need us.
Ang pinag-pray ko lang is sana magkaroon na ako ng peace of mind. Wala man akong pray na someone na dumating sa akin eh. Ang pray ko is magkaroon ako ng peace of mind and maging happy ako. And then, after a short while, nakilala ko na siya. Siguro siya yung peace of mind na dumating sa akin, na binigay sa akin.
Right time, at the right moment, you're the sunlight, keeps my heart going. Oh, I know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time, at the right moment, it's you. Every night in my bed I'm dreaming that it's you in my arms I'm holding. Girl, all I want is you. You know you're the right time at the right moment.
Thank you, Mama and Dada, kasi kung aliyo ko gebayan, ako miras ni kay masanting nga.
It's you, right time at the right moment. Sunlight keeps my heart going.
Ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa ay magiging matagumpay. sapagkat at pamuhitigyo ang mga pagpapala at paglilingap at paglingap ng Panginoong Diyos
Asawa ko, patay.
Oh, papasukin ako.
Look at the streets lit up with us.
TikTok! Thank you, TikTok!
Dressed up so fancy just because.
Ayun mga...
These are the good days.
Ray mo. Ay, thank you. Cut. Alternate pala, no? Okay, ulit.
What else could we be but a festival?
And then bigla ko siyang binanatan. Bigla ako nag-pick up line. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayoko na maging adult. Pwede bang baby muna? Sabi ko sa kanya.
These are the good days. These are the good days. Feel the flow, feel the beauty we bring. There's a whole wide world starting to sing. That these are the good days. These are the good days. These are the good days. No word.
Magkakasama tayong maglilingkod, aawit at mananatiling tapat sa ating Ama hanggang sa huling awit ng ating buhay. I love you.
Tahakin natin, hindi kita iwan. Lagi tayong magkasamang manalangin at magpanata at bubuo ng magandang pamilya.
Yes.
I love you,
I
baby.
love you.
So grateful I've got you here and now. These are the good days. These are the good days. These are the good days. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life.